What's up guys, it's Fabi Ware here. We're currently at the gas station getting some gas. About to head out to the Lace Up Sneaker Show out in Austin, and we're gonna see what the vibes are like today. We'll catch y'all on the flip. Fabi Ware dare to be different, baby. What's up guys, it's Fabi Ware here again. I'm here in Austin, Texas at a Lace Up Sneaker Show. Immaculate vibes going on. So, community, we got all the Austin locals here today. Yeah, it's gonna be a great turnout. Let's go.
Yeah! Trap, they tryna copy the way. Too many chain like a slave. Rich forever getting paid. Money machine might break. Wait, they tryna copy the.
We got Fabi Ware here. Who was today, bro?
Yes, Desmond Julie, y'all come tap in.
Bro, look at this outfit, bro. His outfit's crazy.
We got the Balenciagas. We got the Balenciagas with the
How much?
cheap. 1,200.
1,200.
We got the chain collective pants. 150.
All right.
We got the name collective. Motherfucking little whatever the fuck, you know what I mean? 160. And we got the Desmond Jeweler shirt. Priceless, baby. Priceless. Oh, don't forget the glasses. $100. And the grill. 7 bands. Yes, sir.
Come shop, Austin, Texas, baby. Don't be last, Fabi Ware. Desmond, let's get right. Let's get you right, baby.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Having this shit at my boy.
Dexter.
Fabi Ware, baby.
Having this shit.
Famous Dex, baby.
Dexter.
Playing with it right here.
Me and the baby video.
That's right.
And I win these last month for me and the baby video.
Let's go. What's your music video? Famous Dex. Let's get it, baby.
That'll be different. It's cool to be different. Always have fun, but be yourself. Always remember, be yourself. Never fuck what anybody gotta say. Be yourself.
Dare to be yourself. That's the thing, brother. Thank you, brother.
She want a bag, I can't buy that.
Dexter.
Like a Kit Kat, gotta lay on.
I can't go on that. I heard these bitches thinking try to give me that my lonely. I'm a duck and shot a done it.
Just walked in this bitch. I spent the bag, you know I got cash. I can't come in last, these niggas be fags. I pull up in some shit, bitch, this ain't no jag, What? She say what I got? I say, bitch, I got that cash, These niggas be hoes, I get the last laugh. Pull up FN, I pop at his ass. Pop at his ass, little nigga, I spaz. Wait, I do the dash. These niggas be twisted, but I bet you I crash. These niggas be hoes, I bet you I crash. Man, fuck all these hoes, ain't going outside. Ain't going outside.
Yeah.
I just.
We freestyling. You wanna hop in? Let's hop in.
Bruh.
Dexter. There he is.
Oh, boy, I'm really having that shit up here. Going everywhere.
Fabi Ware, baby. Fabi Ware. Yeah. There it is. We were calling you before you even pulled up. That's it. Let it through. He coming through.
Whole lot of money, rich forever, like I went and signed a deal with Rich. Only stop the lamb at a red light to make the top do a trick. I ain't going back and forth with him. If he send a diss, he get hit. They let me on my 30. Yo, watch only cause